How to fill dishwasher salt and what does it actually do? Dishwasher salt helps soften the water, reducing limescale and helping prevent marks on your glasses and cutlery. To refill it, pull out the bottom basket. In the base of the dishwasher, you'll find a cap labeled salt. Unscrew it, then carefully pour dishwasher salt into the opening until it's full. Or if you spill it absolutely everywhere like I did, that's fine too. Just try to get most of it in the hole. Screw the cap back on securely. And if your dishwasher has a salt warning light, it should go out after you've topped it up. And that's it. Your dishwasher is ready to use. Just don't confuse dishwasher salt with the stuff you put on your chips.